Hello, my writing warriors. Hope you're having a good time. Welcome back to the Wise Out Reads. I'm your grammar buddy, Ollie Whiz. Today, we are diving into the world of compound sentences in an engaging, interactive, and student-friendly way. The video includes storytelling, real-life examples, interactive questions, and a quiz segment, and a practice worksheet at the end of the video for the students. So let's get started. What is a compound sentence? Have you ever eaten pizza and ice cream in one meal? That's like a compound sentence. Two complete ideas joined together. Well, a compound sentence is made by joining two independent clauses. That means two sentences that can stand alone using coordinating conjunctions like for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. Let us learn with the help of example. Let me give you one sentence first. I wanted to go to the park. Now this sentence can stand alone and it is giving a complete meaning. Let us frame second sentence. It started to rain. Again, this sentence can also stand alone. Now let us make a compound sentence. I wanted to go to the park, but it started to rain. Now let me introduce you to the magic word, FANBOYS. It stands for F for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Now these are coordinating conjunctions. I am going to tell you their use with the help of examples. For is used to give reasons. Let us frame one example. I stayed inside for it was raining. And is used to add things. I love apples and bananas. Nor is used to add negatives. I don't sing, nor do I dance. But is used to show contrast. Let us frame one sentence. I like tea, but not coffee. Or is used to offer a choice. Do you want tea or coffee? Yet is used to show contrast, unexpected outcome. She was tired, yet she kept working. So shows cause and effect. It was cold, so I wore a coat. Quick quiz time. Now it's time to play compound or not. I will read a sentence and you are going to tell me if it is compound or not. The first sentence, she likes books and she reads every day. Yes, it is compound. Second, while I was sleeping, the phone rang. No, it is a complex sentence. Third, he studied hard, so he passed the test. Yes, it is compound sentence. Fourth, because it was raining, we stayed inside. No, it is not a compound sentence. So, ready for some practice? Head to the link in the description and download today's worksheet. Here's what's inside. Worksheet preview. First, join these sentences using FANBOYS. Second, identify whether the sentence is compound or not. Third, match the conjunction to the sentence type. Fourth, rewrite the given paragraph using compound sentences. Fifth, bonus creative task. Write your own mini story using at least 5 compound sentences. Now, here's a quick recap for my wise readers. First, a compound sentence equals to 2 independent clauses plus a coordinating conjunction, FANBOYS, as taught in the lecture. Second, extremely important, always use a comma before conjunction. Don't confuse with complex sentences. Those use subordinating conjunctions like because, although, and since. Now, want to become a grammar pro? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more magic with Ollie Whiz. Keep reading, keep writing, and keep flying high with the Wise Owl Reads. Bye for now.